Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. This will be the last week before spring break. So everything that's due next Monday, and then you will have the next week won't open until after spring break, which is March. I should have looked this up before I started talking. March 22nd, the next week will open. So I hope you enjoy your time off. So this week we're going to be talking about using food in your art projects and then also coloring books in the classrooms. So if you take a look at week 8, you can see that you need to read chapter 10 in the textbook, and there's a reading assessment on that. I've set the reading assessment so that you can take it 2 or 3 times, your initial time, and then 2 more, so total 3. What our goal is with these assessments, even though it looks like they're quizzes, they're really not. They're just kind of just checking in to see how well you're reading the material for yourself and for me. But they come across as quizzes. But what I really like you to do is be able to get, it's more important that you learn the material than it is being able to just throw it back at us. So that's why you can take it more than one time. Then you're going to read the articles in the folder about food and art, and thinking through a bunch of different factors when deciding if you want to use food with art. There's some pros and there's some cons, and you can make the decision for yourself, but want to make sure you're informed. The same with coloring books. There's some great reasons to use coloring books, and there's some reasons not to use coloring books. I personally wouldn't use them in a preschool classroom. One of the things I've heard someone say that I really agree with is coloring books are great for home use. When you're in preschool, there's a lot of other opportunities for art and expressing yourself. There's nothing wrong with them. At the same time, there's things, that's a place to get messy and use different art materials. So I'd like you to read those articles about coloring books, and there's some pros as well as con articles. Make sure you read all the articles before you do the food and art and the coloring book article, and then enjoy your week off.